Hey everyone, if Photoroom is not working properly, whether the app won't open, images won't load, background removal fails, or editing tools aren't responding, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Photoroom problems in 2026. First, check your internet connection. Many of Photoroom's AI-powered features rely on cloud processing, so a slow or unstable connection can cause tools to stop working properly. Next, close and reopen the app or refresh the website if you're using the browser version. Temporary glitches can often be fixed with a simple restart. Finally, if none of these solutions work, contact Photoroom support and provide details about your device, app version, and any error messages you're seeing. And that's how to fix Photoroom not working problems in 2026. In most cases, updating the app, checking your connection, clearing cache, and restarting the platform will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.